This is Percival Street in London. A 7-storey residential building, it was recently stripped back to its structural frame and reclad. 800 square metres of Optima FC in aluminium anodised by United Anodisers was used in the reclad of this project. As visible in the video, the A1 rated panels were fitted in staggered layers and the colours were not uniform. This was in line with the architect's original design intent. Sotec's Optima FC secret fix hook-on system was selected for this project. The anodised aluminium surface offers superior scratch and abrasion resistance. There is no risk of adhesion failure in the future. To find out more about this project and speak with an expert member of our team, click the link around the video.